Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about a really cool new feature that Adobe Photoshop just added in 2021. I'm really excited. I've been kind of looking forward to this feature for a little while now, and I cannot wait to use this more regularly. So if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get updated next time I upload a video, and let's get to it. Okay, so first thing, we have all been in this situation where I'm a landscape photographer and I get out to a spot. I've planned maybe months or even years for this, and the weather just isn't right. It's a clear blue sky. Sometimes that's good because if I'm gonna do some Milky Way stuff at night, I really like that. But for sunset, that's very lackluster. So I've planned this big trip. I get out there, no good sky, right? And we've all kind of dealt with this. We try to figure out what to do and make the best of this situation. But now Adobe Photoshop has added a feature where you can replace a sky. It's called sky replacement. I'm really excited about this. I'd previously tried other products to use in this kind of manner so I could more quickly and efficiently add in skies to a shot that I really, really liked, but was lacking a little bit. So really quickly, go ahead and grab a shot that you would like to add a sky to, and let's hop onto the computer. Okay, so once you've opened up your image that you wanted to work on and you're in Adobe Photoshop, you want to go up to the Edit tab and go ahead and click that. Once you've clicked that, you can go all the way down in the menu and you'll see a bunch of stuff that you're used to seeing, except there's an addition now. Now you'll see sky replacement. So you can go ahead and hit sky replacement. It's going to think a little bit and then a dialog box will pop up. You can see on the dialog box, there's a little spot for skies where you can choose what sky you want to input. They have a couple of built-in options: sunsets, daylight, intense skies. So here I've chosen the sky that popped up. I'm going to flip it for my lighting because I want it to match my lighting for this picture. And it gives you those options in this dialog box. So that's really cool. You can kind of zoom in and see here that it did its job first time around really nicely. It's pretty seamless masking that it's done. And then once you think you like it and you don't want to make any adjustments, go ahead and zoom out and then you can go on and hit OK. Once you've hit OK, you'll see that all your masks pop up, which is a really cool feature. You can make adjustments to these if it didn't do a perfect job. And you can also see that it's made some other adjustments to the horizon to kind of help match the foreground and the horizon to the new sky edition, which is kind of a cool feature. It does all of this and it really does it kind of seamlessly. I'm going to continue testing and using this method to see how well it performs in other situations. Some more difficult situations might have like bushes or trees, and it might be a little bit more difficult to use in those cases, but it's definitely worth exploring. This is a great feature being that it is now included in Photoshop, and you can just have it as part of your workflow. You don't have to try to use another program or work tirelessly to cut it out. It really streamlines and makes the whole process faster. I'm so excited to continue using this tool as I continue forward into 2021 and how it's going to affect and speed up my workflow. Thank you guys for sticking around. I'm really glad that they have finally integrated this into Photoshop, and I'm excited to continue to use it. I hope this video helped, and I can't wait to see where you guys go with your photography in 2021.